Hello and welcome to VLearn. This is session 24 of Foundation Course in Science and Technology, Modern Development in Science and Technology 1 and 2. Topics to be covered: laser, putting a light to the work, fibers, optics, space technology, fusion and fusion energy, biotechnology, semiconductor, computer technology, robotic, material science and technology. Laser. When it comes to laser is basically what? It stands for the light amplification by stimulated emissions of radiation. This is what a light impact जो कि एक emission effect होता है. The light that lasers produce have several useful properties that make it different from the ordinary lights. It is because of these properties that laser light can put to the work in the number of ways. So in that case, that is why this is considered as the laser technologies. कि laser light जो है वो number of ways में use की जा सकती हैं, and normal light से वो अलग होती हैं. So we can say see in the diagram that diagram के अंदर एक left hand side was showing the ordinary light, whereas laser light is shown into the certain wave kind of a thing. जबकि जो ordinary lights हैं वो straight rows की तरह spread out होती हैं. Now the applications of laser. When it comes to the applications of laser, so laser light can be put to a number of use in the industry and medicines and communication etc. So in that case number of uses होते हैं laser light के, वो different तरीके से use होती है because of the high concentrations of energy. Laser beam was basically or we can say that quickly dumped in tin holes and a few millimeters wide are there, and even in the tip of steel. So laser have an advantage over all over the traditional method of cutting the heel. So when it comes to the military applications, military peoples, yes, they use that laser. When it comes to application part, तो वो militaries में किस तरीके से apply होती है. This laser techniques are basically to provide the services of global war machines. A whole range of laser weaponry has come into being and use on land, on sea, in the space. So X-ray lasers are there. So effects of installing the deadly laser weapons in the satellite are used. When it comes to healing touch, जब किसी problems को heal up करना हो तो उस case में भी laser is very helpful. Laser can be applied with almost perfect precision in surgery. Surgery के काम में बहुत ज़्यादा use होती है. It can burn away the diseases tissues without damaging the healthy tissues. So that is one of the good thing कि जितने भी diseases tissues होते हैं उन्हें destroy करते हैं. At the same time the tissues are cut neatly and without any oozing of the blood, and yes, at the same time can joined together. So laser completely beneficial part of the health part. Then when it comes to communication, so yes, lasers have also become an important mean of a long distance communication. Traveling through here like glass fibers, laser light can be made to carry thousands of times more important than electric signals in the conventional copper wire. So thousands of telephone calls can be transmitted on the one signal wire. So that is what the another use of the laser in the communication part. But when it comes to the other uses, so yes, lasers are used into the many different types. Like laser may be used to measure the distance of the object, like the moon from the earth. क्या distance है उसको measure करने में भी lasers जो है वो basically help करती है. When it comes to scientists use the lasers to monitor the small trace of the chemical polluting the atmosphere, because those molecules disturb the passage of a beam and thereby reveal themselves. So in that case, yes, pollution checking के लिए भी बहुत help करती है, क्योंकि laser beams को जब वो effect करते हैं तो in that case उनकी बारे में पता लगता है. So effects are being made to transmit the power by the means of laser beam also. So एक effect पता लगता है कि हाँ laser beams में क्या differences हैं, तो उससे एक idea हो जाता है कि what kind of polluted cells are there. At the same time, in making pictures, videos, music, records, etc. So in that case भी laser beam को use किया जाता है. So we can say then another is the fiber optics. That is what we can say, the radio waves we can say that. So fiber optic is basically technique. एक technique होती है to transmit the light waves through glass wires as a thin as a human hair. So in that case जब हम लोग एक transmit करते हैं light की waves को, so that comes into the fiber optics. So optical fibers are thin hair like solid strand that carry the light along with the length by the process of multiple total internal reflections. So if we considered any kind of like telephone calls you make or any kind of radio you listen, transmit by electronic current following the copper wire. So copper wire के through जब किसी भी इंफॉर्मेशन को ट्रांसफॉर्म किया जाता है, चाहे वो विद द हेल्प ऑफ योर टेलीफोन हो या आप रेडियो सुन रहे हो, तो उन सब जगह पर इन वी कैन से दैट लेजर का यूज किया जाता है. सो हम एक जो पिक्चर बनी हुई है उसको भी देख सकते हैं दैट एक वायर के अंदर वो इस तरीके से फ्लो करते हैं. दैट इज एग्जैक्ट काइंड ऑफ फ्लो वाज देयर फॉर द लेजर बीम्स और वी कैन से दैट द ट्रांसमिशंस ऑफ waves. Now applications of the optical waves. When it comes to the application of optical wave, yes, instruments made of optical waves can called the endoscope and are used to see the internal organs of the human body. This is what kind of instrument. So optical fibers के अंदर हम इस तरीके की एक instrument अगर use कर रहे हो to see the or checking the internal organs of the human body, so it's required. Other fibers are used to return the light so that the image of the interior is carried to observe the outside. At the same time, the endoscopes are often connected to the cameras or TV monitors, so with the help of the optical fibers only. At the same time, freeing crowded the cable waves. So in that case, signals of voice, text, computer data, picture, transformation are superimposed on the laser beam. So in that case किसी भी तरीके के signals देने हो, so in that case also आप इसका use कर सकते हैं. The modulator laser beams are then guided along the optical fibers to various point where they are received. At the receiving end, one is able to hear the voice, read the data and see the picture also. This is what basically the process of transforming the signal. जब signal को transform किया जाता है तो किस तरीके के process में होता है, ये कुछ इस तरीके से. This is what the wire is and यहाँ से एक transmitted signal हो रहा है. There was the modulator, laser source है ये and इसके through laser wire में enter होती है. This is what the modulated laser beam जो कि एक photo dictate में आता है and then demodulated, so receive the signal. So that is what comes into the process, और ये कह सकते हैं हम it is optical fibers. Now another is what the use of the laser beams in the optical fiber enable the transformation of signals of thousands of kilometers. हम बहुत दूर तक इनके messages को भेज सकते हैं, पहुंचा सकते हैं. At the same time, the transatlantic underseas fiber optics and cables have been in use for the communication between US and UK, and TV programs can now be transmitted through the fibers optic cables also. And this is what kind of space technology जो कि rocket और launch vehicle की तरह use होती है. So we can see there that एक payload होता है, liquid fuel was there, then oxidizer होता है, pump was there, and then the combusting chamber was there and the exhaust nozzle. When it comes to space technology, yes, artificial satellites are always there. Space technology is one of the things to be understand कि किस तरीके से हम लोग क्या technologies use करते हैं just to reach out the targets or meet up the outer world. So in that case, yes, artificial scientific tireless servants in the sky was there. The spacecraft that move in an orbit around the earth are called the artificial satellite. जो हमारे अर्थ के आसपास जो artificial crafts घूम रहे होते हैं वो artificial satellites होती हैं. Satellites carry equipment to serve the earth natural resources and monitor the weather. So satellite का basic काम जो होता है वो उनके अर्थ पर एक तरीके से कहते हैं to make the supervision or the view kind of कि क्या natural resources हैं, क्या monitor weather है. India satellite programs has also provide the useful information on the agricultural lands and prospecting from the ores and materials also. When it comes dividend from the space, yes, when the space programs begin in the prime aim were to research, adventure and national prestige. तो एक space का concept जो शुरू हुआ था उसका basic purpose यही था कि मेन रिसर्चेस करनी है, एडवांसमेंट्स लेके आने हैं या एक प्रेस्टीज लेवल लेकर आना है नेशंस के लिए. बट व्हेन इट्स एक्सपेंडेड तो द इन्वेस्टमेंट इज आल्सो ग्रो एंड इट इज हाईली एक्सपेंसिव अंडरटेकिंग. Natural questions be asked, so how does it benefit the humankind? So highly reliability and tiny electronic component made these spacecraft also. So this is what the basic creation of the parts of the space, why the space is so much important to consider the space technologies are so much important. And yes, at that time the computer has become compact. Medical instruments made for the astronauts and are used in hospitals. Traveling in the space has given man an entirely new view of his home, his planet Earth. And yes, nuclear fusion and fissions and fusions technologies is technology which can be put to destructive use. So these kind of technology was used. When it comes to nuclear fission, it's what's splitting the atoms. Atoms को जब हम लोग बढ़ते हैं या वो अपने आप को divide करते हैं, so that comes into splitting the atom as nuclear fission. So principal actor in the fission drama is the neutron atom. So the nucleus, that uranium was 238 atom and has 92 protons and 146 neutrons. So about one atom, the 140 atoms of neutron was there and 146 neutron was there. So it is called the uranium 235. So this is what the nuclear fission is. We can see in the diagram, that is what the one neutron, it is what U235 जो कि अपने आप को multiple areas में divide करता है, split करता है. So neutron was divided, that is what fission fragmented, different parts में जब divide करता है energy बनती है, so that comes into the nuclear fission. Then release of energy when the atom split, जब atom टूटते हैं तो yes उससे energy pass out होती है. The masses of fragmented are there, वो 1 या 2 या 3 parts में divide नहीं करते, वो अपने आप को multiple parts में divide करते हैं. So a tiny amount of the matter disappears and this lost matter turns into energy. The amount of energy E generated by the lost matter of a mass m is given by the famous equation, what is E is equals to mc2. So c is what the speed of light. तो speed of light के हिसाब से वो अपने आप को divide करते हैं और उस केस में E यानी कि energy बनती है. Then chain reactions. Chain reactions is basically when the atom nucleus split it not only gives off energy but also threw out 2 or 3 more neutrons also. So in that case, these new neutrons can in turn and split 2 or 3 other atoms are prepared. So these release more energies and more neutrons are there. So in that case, this is what chain reaction is. एक के बाद एक वो जब अपने आप को divide करते हैं तो सिर्फ वो energy produce करें, divide नहीं करते, उसके बाद वो एक के बाद एक नए neutrons भी create करते हैं. Now nuclear reactor is again, nuclear fission can be maintained as a controlled chain reaction in the nuclear reactor. So to produce the energy. So nuclear fissions का mainly use होता है जब हम लोग किसी तरीके की energy produce करना चाहते हैं. So it is what a pure form of carbon and it is such materials called the moderators. So material which absorb the neutrons would serve to be control the reactions. जो materials होते हैं जो कि neutrons को absorb करते हैं, उनका काम सिर्फ इतना होता है कि reactions को control करना है. So neutron absorbed by such materials would be removed and would no longer split. So in that case जब वो एक बार split होना शुरू होते हैं तो वो split होते चले जाते हैं, तो उसको control करने के लिए बहुत material use किए जाते हैं. That material used chosen as a absorber of the neutron. तो उन्हें absorber of neutron की तरह use किया जाता है. So this is what we can see in the picture. This is what steel and graphite core and the uranium rod. So in that case this is what the kind of controlling part. ये controlling rods हैं इसके अंदर जो कि एक cooling tower से निकलते हुए, there was a pump, there was steam, then cooling tower there was. So this is what a kind of a process of a nuclear reactions or controlling them. Hazards of nuclear world, yes, there are many risks associated with it. बहुत सारे risk factors के साथ जुड़े होते हैं when it comes to nuclear. We understand that कि जब एक चीज़ split out होनी शुरू होती है तो अपने आप को split out ही करती रहती है, तो that this is what can't be controllable. So it is what disposable of radioactive waste material would be spent uranium rod of the nuclear reactor. So in that case उसका जो disposable part होता है वही बहुत difficult होता है. From mining of the ore to nuclear waste disposal, each step in the nuclear fuel cycle carry risk. तो हर एक cycle जहाँ पर वो अकर हो रहा होता है, उसकी mining हो रही होती है, वो बहुत ज़्यादा risky होता है. Risk and benefits of each step depend largely on the strike watch, and at the same time challenges eliminated the risk or to increase the benefit. तो main challenge यही होता है कि किस तरीके से हम लोग risk को कम करते चलें और उसके benefits को बढ़ाएं. When it comes to nuclear fusion, this is what energy hungry world view the eve that glowing power of the sun and the stars. So which is based on the slightly different nuclear processes called the nuclear fusion. That is what कि जो shining areas या glowing powers होते हैं वो क्या होते हैं, that is what the nuclear fusion. Nuclear fusion take place when two light atomic nuclear joins and fuse together to form the one nuclear. तो जब दो nuclear या दो atomic जो न्यूक्लियस होते हैं जब वो मिलते हैं और एक नया न्यूक्लियर क्रिएट होता है, वो न्यूट्रल फ्यूजन होता है. So mankind still rues the fateful days of August 6th and 9th and 9th, the two atom bombs which were the called as the little boy and the fat man were dropped by the America or on the Hiroshima and Nagasaki in Japan. So the first bomb led to the manufacture of more bombs, and America was soon joined by the Atlantic USSR. It is estimated that more than 500 nuclear weapons has been developed around the world. So this is what the kind of one of the history of the nuclear bomb, that the impact was still there. So in that case, the world spent more than $1 trillion in the year on a making army. So the army race caused a whole lot of economic problem in all the countries because this unproductivity. So in that case, we can say that. So negotiating arms going to be done. बहुत सारे खर्चे होते हैं arms create करने में, उन्हें produce करने पे. तो just to give themselves in a strong power, India and then USSR has been given a call in 1986 for creating a nuclear weapons free and non-volatile world also. So in that case, yes, these are the few steps to be taken to minimize the impact. Now what is biotechnology? Biotechnology is best defined as the industrial utilization of biological systems. जब हम लोग biological systems की help लेते हैं industry utilization में, so वो biotechnologies होती हैं. The ability to control and manipulate the microbes and use them for the various application has resulted in the current biotechnologies. Genetic engineering, the modern biotechnology revolution is based on the understanding and manipulating of the structure of DNAs. So DNA is complex organic molecule that direct the synthetic. So DNA is what the complex organic molecule, ये एक organic molecule होता है जो protein synthetics एक और chemical structure होता है. So DNA is look like something like this जो कि हम इसमें देख पा रहे हैं. This is what the genetic engineering. Then enzyme immobilization, this is what the crystal is known in the number of industries such as baking and wine making. So it is what not easy to remove them from the final product. So this is what the fructose is sweeter than the glucose, yet it has been the same clarified values and use the low calorie sweeteners. Semiconductor is what? Semiconductors are based off all the sophisticated electrons. There are hardly a tool applicants of the item of communication. Long distance transportation, entrepreneur and defense that does not use the semiconductor technologies. Semiconductor is material whose ability to conduct the electronic current is greater than that of any insulators but less than their metals. So silicon and graphene are mostly commonly used in the semiconductors. So it is what the pure crystal of silicons and graphite act more and less than an installer. So even the tiny bits of the molecule are used in or called N-type semiconductors. a like amount of boron would cause a different kind of conducting take place, and a piece of silicon so treated as a p-type conductor. जैसा कि हमने अभी पिछले साइड में पढ़ा, this is about telling us about the n-type of semiconductor, and this is basically talking about the p-type semiconductor. If the junction is formed between the p-type and n-type semiconductor, the device called the p-n junction, that's very obvious, so that comes into p-n junctions. We can see that ये p-type होता है semiconductor, this is n-type, so the current flows. So this is what the semiconductor device and their uses. And we can see this, there was low voltage n and p-type base, so this is what the semiconductor role. Now computer at work. So computer is what very simple machinery which used as not been held in a while. So computer is, we all know, it is what हमें paper work को कम करने के लिए, calculations को कम करने के लिए computer was there, और time consuming जितने भी processes होते हैं उन्हें time consuming ना बनाने के लिए भी computer use किया जाता है. And yes, computer की कुछ इस तरीके की processing होती है. There are few inputs जो कि memory में दिए जाते हैं, and there are few outputs. सबसे बेसिक होता है सेंट्रल प्रोसेसिंग यूनिट. सेंट्रल प्रोसेसिंग यूनिट के दो पार्ट होते हैं, कंट्रोल यूनिट एंड अर्थमेटिक लॉजिकल यूनिट. जितने भी मैथमेटिकल वर्क्स होते हैं वो यहाँ पर किए जाते हैं, एंड कंट्रोल यूनिट्स आर अदर कंट्रोल यूनिट्स. मेमोरी में जितनी भी ट्रांजैक्शन प्रोसीड्स होती हैं वो सब इनकी हेल्प से की जाती हैं. एंड यस, देयर वाज अ परमानेंट फिक्स्ड मेमोरी ऑफ कंप्यूटर जिसके बेसिस पर सारी फंक्शनिंग्स होती हैं. Computer always work with the certain softwares, so computer will do only what it's programmed to do and nothing else. So there are two types of computer software, the applicating software and system software. So दो तरीके के software होते हैं, application and system software. When it comes to microcomputers are small computers for the use at home, office, business. It's called microcomputers. उनको micro या PCs भी कहा जाता है. So large variety of tasks can be done on the PCs also, क्योंकि उनकी capacity of storage होती है, handle large volume of data also. When it comes to robotic and robots, so yes, science are very advanced, design the buildings and using the robot and robotics. So robot is used today as a basically computerized machine. They can program to do the variety of tasks, and robot can made to do a large number of jobs also. So robot is one of the new and good technology in the science, and it actually helped the mankind to perform the different things. Robot can be made to see an object or to screen. So this is what the optical sensor in the robot records, the varying brightness of the light coming from the objects. So this is what the robotic technique, जो कि किस तरीके से robotic technique काम करती है. And robotics arms in actions, robot can design to act like a human arms, and robots specialized draw on the skills and resources of both the computer and sciences. When it comes to technology forecasting, yes, path from the science and technologies and then to useful device and good in society is straightforward. Science discovery sometimes took several decades to perform it. Yes, कुछ science technology forecasting है, that science research areas were there, theoretical was there. Theoretical applied के बाद possible technologies was created, and social need is one of the attached thing, then likely technologies, क्योंकि social need के बाद एक technology like की जाती है, then actual technology product. Yes, there are few questions which you have to do it with yourself. First is, what are the risks associated with the use of fusion energy? जब हम fusion energy का use करते हैं तो क्या risk attach होता है? And what terms computer hardware and computer software? Computer hardware and computer software क्या होते हैं? आपको ये बताना है. तो yes, this is all about for the today's session. We were winding up here. Thank you so much. Happy learning. We learn.